My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
I did a look the other day and I did it off camera, and of course it came out like so gorgeous. Of course when I do it off camera it's like an awesome look. So I wanted to film it real quick before I take a shower and get some sleep. So yeah, I'm really excited for it. I'm going to be using, the majority of the shadows are going to be from the Anastasia Pro Pigment palette volume 4, but I'm also going to be using a few colors from volume 1 as well. So I do have my eyes primed, and I'm going to take a large blending brush, this Farrah 35E, and go into the volume 4 palette, and I'm going to start with C4, which is this pretty like lilac color, and use that as my transition shade. Okay, so as my transition shade, what I normally do is I'll place the brush in my outer corner, and then I just go back and forth like windshield wiper motions, and then I'll go from the inside and, you know, blend my way outwards. As you can see, I just start in the outer corner. A3. So now I'm going to go in with A3, which is a really pretty like pinkish lilac, and a more tapered blending brush. And I'm just going to be doing the same motions, but because the brush is more tapered, it's not going to bring the shadow as high as our transition shade. So just again, I'll start in the outer corner, then work my way in, and then go back and forth, and then go in with my original blending brush and blend it out. Now I'm taking this ColourPop. It's actually a lip liner, but you can use an eyeliner, a liquid lipstick, whatever you want. And I'm just going to be putting this over like 3/4 of my lid. I want to put it everywhere where I'm going to be laying my lid shade over it. So now I'm going to go in with volume 1 in A2, which is a light purple. And I'm going to be putting this in the outer third of my eye. And I just kind of use like a patting motion. I lay the product down first, and then once most of the product is off the brush, I will bring it into the crease and blend it in with the other colors. And then go in with the previous blending brush and blend the edges out. So now I'm going to go in with A2 from volume 4. This color is stunning, and put it over where we put that lip liner or eyeliner or whatever base you used, and you can see how it just really makes that color pop and the intensity so much more intense. It just looks so gorgeous in my opinion, and I love doing that. Now I'm going to take A3 from volume 1 and a pencil brush, and I'm going to put this in the outer V of my eye. So first I just lay the product down. I start in the outer corner and then literally kind of draw a V and blend it in with the lid shade. And then I go back in with my packing brush and blend it out just by like patting it again. Then I'll lay more color down and then do the same thing, blend it out. So now I'm going to take some Fix Plus and I'm going to go back in with that lid shade and just make this color as poppin' as we can. And you can see the Fix Plus really makes a difference. Now I'm going to take this NYX Faux White eyeliner. It's like a light lilac, and put that in my lower waterline. And this light color is really going to open your eyes up. And then I'm going to go in with A3 first and put that in my lower lash line. And then I'm also going to go in with A2 from the Volume 1 palette and put that in my lower lash line as well. I'm not going to bring it in as far as I did the first color though. Of course my camera just randomly stopped recording. So what I did was I highlighted the brow bone and inner corner with BECCA Pearl highlighter. Let me just add some more. And then I added just a small band of liquid eyeliner on my upper lash line. And now I was starting to highlight. So I'm going to be using this Estate highlighter in DEWY, which is a very pretty like lilac purple. Blush, I'm gonna go in with this Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush Quad in Ghost, and I'm gonna use this color right here, which is Surreal Effect. I want to add something that's a little bit more purplish. I'm going to go in with this Too Faced Love Flush palette and then use Justify My Love. Now I'm going to buff using this Makeup Revolution Radiant Lights Vivid Baked Highlighter and a large fluffy brush. And just kind of go all over and blend anything in so you don't see any like distinct lines from the blush or bronzer. And I'm going to use this MILANI Make It Dewy Illuminating Setting Spray. Okay, I will be back and we will do a lip. Okay, so I've changed my mind about 8 times on the lip, but my final answer was I started out with this Cargo lipstick that has a magnetic lash on it in KYOTO, which is a really pretty like purplish pink lipstick, and then I topped it with this NYX Butter Gloss in Meringue. Which is also like a purplish pink. And this is the completed look. I'm loving it just as much as when I originally did it. I really liked how the first time I did it I had like the blonde wig that had the pastel like purple, pink, and blue highlights because it just went really well with the eye look. But your girl's tired and doesn't have time for a wig and all that business, so you get Princess Leia purple. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and let me know your thoughts about it down below in the comments. And I love you all. I will see you in my next video. Bye.